guys, I hope everyone's having a great day so far. I just wanted to let y'all know what this video is about. So, it's currently 9:38 p.m. over here in Houston, Texas, and it's that late because I just got back from the airport, and I wasn't gonna film today, I was just gonna film tomorrow, but then I was like, we're locked in, so we're filming today. I'm starving because I was supposed to get here like half an hour ago. So I just got here, gym closed at 12. I don't really have time to like make food, eat, whatever. So I ripped open, how many is this? 6 Rice Krispies and a full glass of lactose-free milk because I'm lactose intolerant. And I'm going to, well, I mean, I basically ate it already, but I'm gonna digest this and then you guys will see me back when I'm gonna take some pre.
There's one more. Got it.
I've been gone for like 3 weeks, so I have quite a bit of mail here. So we're gonna do a little bit of a mail opening haul. Throw it. Oh, oh, what the fuck is this?
The chopstick. That's the one I stole from in LA, remember?
If I can't show you guys anything that's in these boxes, I'm just gonna open it and then you're not gonna see what's inside.
Are they blank?
Oh!
Can you say?
Alright, this is super top secret, so nobody talk about it. But this is cream of rice samples from Huge Supplements.
What?
Yeah, cream of rice samples. If you guys don't know what cream of rice is, look it up. I don't really know how to explain it. It's kind of like oatmeal, but it's not oatmeal, it's cream of rice. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna be eating that. That literally
got a label yet.
It literally looked like drugs.
Looks like a science experiment.
I know, I was like, what the fuck? They're samples. All right, ah!
It's not a knife, it's chopsticks.
I know.
Those shoes?
I don't know.
Move, I'm gonna stab it. Move.
Oh, ah! Oh, they are shoes. What the hell?
Yeah, they look like, it's a shoebox. Wait. They're gonna be, oh, they're black on black.
Oh, they are One Hunco. Send me some deadlift silvers to deadlift in. Very malleable, nice. Can be substituted as a chancleta if you're a Hispanic mom.
Do you think one of these is important? Which one do you prefer, 1 or 2?
Dude.
1 or 2, 1 or 2.
Stab this one. Oh. It felt good, didn't it?
I was ready, it did. Oh. Here, use it.
Why, thank you, Mr. Vaughn.
I was right!
Yeah, I mean, what else would it be?
Alright, I wanna try one.
You guys don't know who Vaughn Walker is? Look him up. He's with Revive, pretty nice homie of mine. Yo, Chris, hope you like the treats. Thank you, Vaughn. I just had like 6 Rice Krispies when I could have had one of these. But, all right, yeah, Gilky, you can try it. Flick that part. Delicious.
Tastes like Fruity Pebbles, exactly.
All right, bruh. Back to the unbox.
Wait, look at the box.
As you guys know, I'm with VillageHiddenInTheIron, which is like the anime gym equipment brand. I love all their stuff. I use all their stuff, and there's a lot of cool stuff coming pretty soon. And if you want to try any of it, code WEAKGUY to support me, support the channel, support all of us. But they just came out with the big 3 pre-workouts, which is, this is One Piece Gum flavor, Naruto QB flavor, and Bleach Hollow flavor. Actually, Hollow is not the flavor. Lychee is the flavor for Bleach. Yuzu iced tea flavor for Naruto.
Oh, I heard that one's good.
And Gummy Bear is the flavor for One Piece. So, as you guys know, I'm with Huge Supplements, so I'm not sponsored by Village's supplement brand, but they do sell supplements. So, I'm assuming code WEAKGUY works for them. You can try it out if you want. If you want to support me,
they're actually my code, but I just told them to use WEAKGUY. So
yeah,
I'll
have Gilky do a taste test of one of them today, since I can't be recorded doing a taste test for these. Huge code WEAKGUY. All right, next up we have. I'm not even gonna read where it's from. Oh, Village.
Nice. Code WEAKGUY.
Yeah. This I can promote because it's clothing. Anime gym clothing. Oh, this is fucking sick.
Oh shit, that's dope.
This is very cool. Nice, Village. I'm gonna wear this as the pump cover today. Oh, I'm making it extra messy because Olivia's not here, so I can just leave all that. Mike, your camera! This is the other one.
What are these fish?
I'm not really sure where this is from.
Oh, it's you.
I don't know. If you guys know what this is, just leave a comment down below.
Oh, it's like Komodo dragon.
All right, next up we got. Oh, the knee sleeves.
Wait, didn't you already have all these? Those
No,
new knee
these are
sleeves?
new.
Oh shit, mine just broke. Perfect. Perfect timing.
There you go. This is. I don't know why this always fucking does this. Village spent 90% of their money on this lock.
I'm preventing you from opening
Yeah,
it.
literally. I can't open this. I literally can't open it fully.
Are those like competition ones or normal ones?
These are normal. So,
Wait, is that Blue Lock?
yeah, they're
Dude,
Blue Lock.
I literally, while
These
you
are
were
actually
gone,
really sick.
I watched all of Blue Lock while you were gone.
So, Blue Lock knee sleeves from Village. I'm gonna slide these to Gilkey if he wants to use them. And I really like when brands care about the packaging. Like, it makes the unboxing experience 10 times better.
Wrong.
Oh, these
Damn.
are.
Wait,
This is Rock Lee. Yeah, this is Rock Lee from Naruto. His like weighted. Look, come here for a sec. Stand right there. No, over here. Yeah, right there. All right, go like. These are Rock Lee's things. But I think these two are coming out pretty soon. Yeah, as always, you know, code WEAKGUY if you want to save some percentage at checkout. Now, I'm gonna take my pre and go hit probably like the quickest chest day of my life. See y'all there.
Thank you, Village, for sending me the pre-workouts. Chris, you can't have any of this. This is all mine.
Yeah, but you're also code WEAKGUY, so.
Yeah, it's weird how we have the same code though.
Stabbing.
Man, that smells really good. All right, do I want 1 scoop or 2 scoops?
I'm gonna.
Do I want 1 scoop?
You can take 2. It's only 100 per scoop.
Really?
Yeah. That's why if I would hypothetically take some. Hypothetically, I would take 3 or
even
nah,
more?
just 3.
What is yuzu?
It's a type of lemon.
Tastes pretty good. It's like a 7.5 out of 10.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. What are you doing? Hey!
All right, so we just got to the gym. Don't have much time, have about 1 hour and 10 minutes to start benching and finish with the chest accessories. So I'm gonna show y'all a little warm up that I like to run before I start benching. This is to keep my shoulders safe and keep them stable during the lift. All right, so I'm gonna do, put it about shoulder height, and I put it a little higher. First thing I'm gonna do is stand directly in line with the band, go underhand, grab it so that there's just enough tension, keep my elbow against my side. You can't have it out. So I'm gonna tuck it, let the band bring me, 12. Now I'm already standing this way. I'm gonna go with my right hand, grab it underhand, and now instead of pulling it outwards, I'm gonna pull it inwards towards my body. So here we go, to my belly button. This is warming up my rotator cuff. Keep me nice, safe, and stable while benching. Now, for this next one, you're gonna have to make sure that there's something that's gonna prevent the band from coming up and out towards you. So you wanna grab it, make sure that there is kind of like a downward
path of the band. So keep your elbow up high. And now we're just gonna bring it out. And then switch. The reason why you want that downward path is because if it's straight, I'm not gonna have the same type of tension. It's gonna be kind of loose in the middle. So I wanna have it like this. Now we switch, but instead of going up, we go down. I don't have good mobility with this one, so it's kind of limited. But some of you may be able to go farther than me. I've just torn both of my rotator cuffs in the past. If you've hurt your shoulders before, it's even more important to properly warm up before you do some heavy compound like benching. All right, the last thing is you're going to grab each side of the band and kind of position yourself as you would if you were laying down on the bench. Then just pull back. It's like reverse benching. Warm up your scapula and your back. Really let your shoulders come all the way forward. Let the band pull you forward. If you need more tension, just stand back. All right, so now that we just completed all that, I would usually do another round, but I'm just gonna do one today for the sake of time. Shit myself. Psych, y'all ain't seen shit yet. I just farted. That was the preview. No, like I'm saying, like y'all, like I said, I shit myself and then I was like, y'all ain't seen shit yet. I just farted, it's the preview. I'm Drake's ghostwriter. That got me a bicep pump doing that thing. Make sure you get them good angles on the tricep extension. Woo. That was weakness leaving my body. Wait, get this part right here, get this part right here. It's real nice. See that? That little contraction in my chest?
Shelf?
Yeah, the shelf. It's where I put my bowl of cereal and milk when I'm eating breakfast in the morning and Gilky's using the table. Yeah, that's where I hold the boat. No, I carry the boats.
You look like a spy.
A spy? Oh, with this? I thought you were gonna talk about with the one strand of fucking hair in my face that keeps going in my mouth. But I do it anyways because it's part of like the persona I created. Even though like it kind of pisses me off sometimes when it's in the middle of my face. And some of you motherfuckers make fun of me for it, but I just do it anyways because like I don't give a fuck and I just do whatever I want to do and I do what makes me happy because you shouldn't care about what other people tell you if it makes you happy because the only thing that matters is your happiness and no one else's. Unless like you have a partner or close family members who live with you and you know their opinion matters, but other than that, if they don't matter, who the fuck cares? Just do what makes you happy. All right, so what I've learned is that the most important thing when you're doing triceps or really any exercise, if your goal is hypertrophy and muscle size, is you want to really focus on the contraction, most importantly, the end part. So look, I can get here, I can keep doing them all right there, but I'm missing the most important part, which is this. You see that? Look at my tricep. That is what's giving it the most contraction, that last 10% of the movement. So I'm gonna hold it for a second, every time. Makes a huge difference. Ugh. And you'll see the difference in the growth of your muscles. So I was thinking, what's the best way to end, you know, a chest session with some curls? So you can never do too many curls. I think having big bulging biceps that aren't like stupidly unproportional to your arms looks just amazing because that's gonna push up, if you have any vascularity or veins at all, it's gonna push it up and you're just gonna look big as shit all the time. Honestly, I've been working on my shoulders a shit ton these past 3-4 months focusing on hypertrophy. And in pictures, it's made my arms look less nice, if that makes sense. When I had small shoulders and just big ass biceps, it looked cooler. But I actually just enjoy the look of having big biceps. All right, guys, gym closed like 15 minutes ago, but thankfully I was still able to wrap up my workout. Thanks again for coming along with me on that upper body day. I appreciate your guys' support as always. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave, you know, some type of comment down below, maybe on what you want to see in the future, or just leave me a joke or something. It helps the channel grow and helps keep us alive. Again, love y'all. Appreciate the support. Until next time.
Wow.